Young Harris Wing House. We're with Chef Adam Daniel. Adam, what are we cooking?
We're doing a eggplant parm with pesto mayo, some nice arugula romaine, a little bacon. This thing's gonna be absolutely fire.
Tell me a little about your background. It's diverse.
Very diverse. Grew up in the South, around Augusta area, taught by some amazing cooks down here in the deep South, and then I traveled a lot and learned a lot in San Francisco and in Chicago, and picked up a lot of really good skill from some crazy talented people, and then spent a lot of time in Charleston and made my way here because of family and desire, and super blessed to hit a home run, it seems like, with the Wing House. So.
Yep, I love it. I'm dying to try it.
You ready for me to put this thing together, Rick?
I'm ready.
Let's do it, brother.
Actually, I'm ready to eat.
Oh, I understand that. So I took the eggplant, a little buttermilk, some hot sauce, soaked it for a long time, then dredged it in the flour, hit it with the bacon, melted a exorbitant amount of cheese over the top of it, some Swiss. Made a pretty fire pesto mayonnaise here with the pine nuts, the basil, mayonnaise, some Meyer lemon juice, some Meyer lemon zest. Really put the extra effort into it to get a big flavor out of it, and obviously a lot of basil. Bring this over here. Let's see, I got a little, of course, to make it a parm, you got to hit it with a little of that marinara. This thing should be nice and well done. A little romaine arugula mix. Let's get some of this out of the way. I know me and Rick are about to Lady and the Tramp it. A little slice and dice. This thing should be lit, Rick. Get in there and try it, brother.
Thank you. Come on, dive in.
I'm getting in it with you. Yeah, this looks money.
I like the crunch.
Thank you, brother. Obviously a lot of butter on that bread. It's a great roll I've been getting from Holloway Distribution. That's tasty.
That is.
Maybe needs a tiny bit of salt, but that's pretty fire. I think the bacon's gonna bring it through.
I'm not a salt guy, so this is
then
perfect.
it's perfect for you.
This is perfect.
Awesome, yeah, that's great. Arugula's nailed. Solid sandwich, man.
Yep.
Just what I'm looking for right there. We do a lot of stuff like this every day. We try to keep it creative every day. Push ourselves every day with something new. We've done almost over 2 years we've been in this building, doing a special every single day of our life. It takes a lot to do it and not hit that block. I've been dealing with the block lately, but I pushed through with a strong sandwich today, I can assure you.
You're not only creative in the kitchen, but you're creative on the video scene too.
I try to.
I love your videos.
Thank you, brother.
Your writing, I learned today, not a broom, but a Swiffer.
Much, much cooler than a broom. It was a Swiffer.
I saw it. And my favorite was
The burrito?
The burrito.
Yeah, I was
Heavy
working
training.
out, man. You got to work out
Heavy
to take
training.
that burrito down. I try to make people laugh, you know? I try to,
Sure.
It's been weirdest couple years and all kinds of depressive mess going on in the world. I think laughter is definitely our best shot at digging ourselves out of this, and that's why I do it, just try to make people laugh.
Tell me about Young Harris Wing House. Your menu.
Yep, it's kind of it started out as a standard kind of wing house kind of vibe. We kind of did like an independent kind of Wild Wings or a Buffalo or a Taco Mat kind of scenario. I always wanted something to be here for the kids. I was very aware of this school for many, many years, all the way back into my youth, and realized they never had their own spot. It's always been a little more fine dining driven or deli driven or cafe driven. For these kids to have their own dive across the street from where they go to school, for a school that's growing, a school that's got NCAA credit and athletes and everything that's going on, they deserve it, you know? So I really opened this with that thought in mind, that I was gonna give them something special of their own, and they have jumped all over it. They support the heck out of us. We feed them constantly. We've made great relationships with all of them. Already dreading seeing a lot of them graduate, but looking forward to new ones coming in. Just teachers love us, staff, kids, we love them, super supportive of them, and vice versa, super supportive of us. Couldn't be more blessed to do it, but that's really what it is. We serve wings. We've strengthened so much beyond that to where we sell many things beyond that. The quesadilla goes mad. The clubs go like crazy. The specials fly out of here. We have the best burger around, which goes out of here like mad as well. You just never know what we're doing. We're changing it all the time. We want to keep it fresh. We see the same people come 3-4 times a week. You can't just beat a dead horse with them. Right. You want to keep it fresh for them. So we're constantly changing, evolving to be here forever. So
First, thank you for having us out. But more importantly, thank you for that wonderful sandwich.
My pleasure, Rick. Thank you for being here, brother.
That was
Keep
delicious.
up the good work on your end, man. And thanks for supporting us.
Thank you.